Okay guys, so we're gonna try to get the Cobra started, the Polaris, and ride around here first and take it to our house to make sure it rides. And here you go. Okay, so
Just gonna go that way?
I'll just go that way, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, another thing we don't want to use. Yeah, you can just go like that. It turns off the screen to say battery. Okay.
Turn it on.
Choke, yeah.
Choke it.
I'm just gonna pull a few times and we'll give it some gas. Thank you.
Okay.
First start, first.
Don't over choke it. Keep on it. Go! You almost had it there, you let off.
Choke it like crazy though. We have to let it choke more. Maybe it's not warmed up all the way.
Yeah.
I think it's burning the belt, right?
Well.
That looks fine to me.
It's just lost.
That was fine. It started first pull.
Yeah, choke it. Give her full throttle. You won't go fast.
Choke on, good choke.
Off the choke. Give her full throttle. Wow, that is awesome. Wow. Amazing. Whoa. He's afraid of it, that's the problem.
Yeah, yeah, he needs to get on the floor. I need to get on that thing floor, but I remember back in the day when you used to do that, Dad. You used to floor it and I'd be scared to death of it.
It doesn't seem like something's not tuned up right. It's not right.
No.
Oh, good. Where's he going? Keep riding it some more. Go. I don't know what the. Put his GoPro down.
As most of you guys know, I've been following the channel for about a year now. This is my 1978 Polaris Cobra 440, and there's Pepper. That one's inside really bad. 1 second. Okay, I'll let inside. These cats are interesting. Okay, go inside. Run. Good girl. And there's our other cat. Come on, Frida. Come on. Good girl. School bus. But anyways, that is not ours. It's my uncle's. We're storing it right now. Oh, there's Peachy. Because we have a log splitter. We're splitting some wood, so that's why that's there. Come on, Peachy. Let's go. Come on. I need to get back to the video. Okay, you're going too slow. Anyways, got this thing for free. Picked it up from my dad's ex-coworker slash ex-boss. He retired, and he said the snowmobile, his kids were riding around with it for fun, and then he stored it about 20 years ago. He put it in the barn. I have the Polaris cover for it, but I accidentally left it at my grandparents' house. That's kind of sad. But yeah, so I got it running around at my grandparents' house. It runs and rides, just the carburetors need cleaned. That's what we're going to do today. It doesn't have any low end power. Kicks in so hard. This thing is insane, guys. This thing is a beast. It's literally insane. Huh. But anyways, so yeah, it's a beast. 2 carburetors. Have to clean 2 carburetors. Yippee. But ain't that bad. I've done it before. Yeah. So basically the first snow we've gotten this year. But so yeah, so has 1,200 miles on it. Speedometer cable's broken though. Gas works, brake works, hydraulic disc brakes, guys. I know that's luxury. Gas gauge is at right there. Choke, key on, key off. That button thingy, that primer, lawnmower bulb. Oh, this thing's already unhooked. Awesome. But okay, there we go. So, to take the carburetors off, doesn't look that bad. We just take them off. We just unhook all the fuel lines, unhook those carburetor boots. My dad's like, be really careful, don't break those carburetor boots. And figure out something with the throttles. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'll get back to you guys whenever we have them apart and whatnot.
Made it. Huh? What? Can I put it away? Okay.
guys, it's so much fun. Yeah, it's not very good on pavement, you're right.
It doesn't turn, does
You
it?
can hear the track on.
Yeah, that's hard on it too.
Yeah, I just don't want to turn either on concrete.
Yep.
Yeah, it runs really good. I like
So
it.
was I right on the carburetors?
Yeah. The pilot jets were plugged, so you never cleaned them. So yeah, it runs really
Yeah.
good.
Runs like,
Idle's really good too.
yeah, it runs like a new one.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing.
Just the hood's banged up though.
That don't matter. No matter what it's like, it matters how she runs.
Yeah, those are really good. Speedometer's like
Looks
floating.
don't matter. Huh?
There's no speedometer cable. The speedometer's just floating around. It's funny. Oh man, it's fun. It's fun. We'll have to call neighbors and see if we can ride the field
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yep.